Breathe in, breathe out. Action.
Mindfulness and mind setting, we are providing fitness program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Gaurav, founder and CEO of It's All About Journey, and here we are shooting one more podcast again for you guys. ये पॉडकास्ट बहुत अमेजिंग टॉपिक पे है. दैट टॉपिक इज हाउ माइंडसेट इज रिलेटेड टू फिटनेस एंड योर लाइफस्टाइल. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो, इफ you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to hit a subscribe button and a bell icon and share this video with all of your friends. I and team It's All About Journey personally believes on mindset and mindfulness because before starting anything else, you have to set your mind first. That's why to create awareness about mindsetting and psychology, we provide online fitness services with mindset coaching. Mindset coach Pratiksha with us, and we are going to discuss about mindset, mindfulness, and how we can practice it with a fitness program. Before starting the discussion, can you introduce yourself, Pratiksha?
Sure. So hi, I'm Pratiksha and I have completed my Masters in Industrial Psychology from Fergusson College. But more than traditional psychology ka practice, I was more interested in energy healing. So I started practicing energy healing and उसमें मैंने Theta healing में specialization किया है. It's a healing through meditation. एंड दूसरा मैंने एक्सेस बार्स में किया है. एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस एक मोडालिटी है, उसमें एक्सेस बार्स विच इज़ बॉडी प्रोसेस हीलिंग दिस थिंग, सो उसमें मैंने स्पेशलाइज किया है.
अमेजिंग. So you know that, and most of the people know that this field have so much of stigma around it. What challenges you are facing and you have faced in the past to face the issues of people and while catering to the people who are training under It's All About Journey?
सबसे ज़्यादा स्टिग्मा मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि लोग जितना ज़्यादा सोचते हैं फिटनेस प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करने में, उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा सोचते हैं एक सेशन लेने में, एक थेरेपी सेशन लेने में. सो दैट इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट. दैट इज़ कि लोग एक टॉप खरीदने से नहीं सोचते हैं. दे कैन बाय 1300 1500 टॉप, 2000 टॉप, बिल्कुल नहीं सोचते. उनको रिटेल थेरेपी ज़्यादा आराम लगता है रादर दैन कमिंग टू एन एक्चुअल थेरेपी, एंड दे ट्राई टू बार्गेन फॉर 1000 रुपीज. सो दैट इज़ द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग थिंग, दैट इज़ कन्विंसिंग पीपल कि you need it, like everyone need it. You don't have to go through some serious trauma to go for a therapy.
Exactly.
It can just be very therapizing itself just to sit with someone who is willing to listen to you in a proper setting.
And how you're trying to convince people who are on a fitness journey with us that they specifically need mindset sessions?
First of all, एक तो a lot of techniques, that is shadow work technique, that is the things that you don't want to look at. I try to make them aware about those things, and convince करना तो उन्हीं का काम है. I can just let them know that yes, there is something that you can look at and you can come to me. So I try to give that space to people in our group therapies.
Yeah. So after, like, you know that कि ये फील्ड कैसा है and इसमें कितने प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. लोग ये चीज़ के ऊपर ज़्यादा बिलीव नहीं करते. सेशंस लेने के पहले उनको लगता है कि अरे मुझे कुछ हुआ है क्या, मेंटल इलनेस, मुझे तो ज़रूरत नहीं है चीज़ की. After knowing all of this, still how you choose to get into the field of being a psychologist?
I think this field is so rewarding क्योंकि अगर 10 लोग भी ना आए ना, और अगर 2 लोग भी बोलें कि प्रतीक्षा, इट रियली हेल्प मी आफ्टर योर सेशन, मुझे आपका सेशन अटेंड करना अच्छा लगता है. देयर इज ऑलवेज स्पेशली इन योर दिस थिंग, even if there won't be 10 participants in the end of the session, but there I know there will be 2-3 who always attend my programs, and that is rewarding कि हाँ ठीक है, if आपको 50 लोगों को हेल्प नहीं करना, you can't help anyone in this, like everyone.
And they must be coming up with good reviews and testimonials.
Yes, they do. You receive it, we receive it, so they do. But you can't help everyone. आपको 2 लोगों को ही अगर आपने कुछ भी 1% 2% उनके लाइफ को थोड़ा बेटर किया, that is itself very rewarding, and that is what keeps me going.
So before taking the session, what do you think, what thoughts people must be having in back of their mind कि ये सेशन में जाके क्या होने वाला है, and how they react after seeing you in the sessions, physical session or online session?
आई थिंक स्पेशली हमारे इसमें ग्रुप थेरेपी में मोस्टली एक तो I think half, if 20 people are joining, okay, at the beginning of the session, 10 people join कि ये क्या हो रहा है, I don't know. A lot of people join thinking कि हाँ ये meditation वाले session है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ meditation होने वाला है and nothing else.
Yeah.
They don't realize कि मैं काफ़ी सारा I especially make them write a lot because till the time you don't write आपको अपनी feelings की you don't become mindful with your feelings. So that is one of the way where you have to like get in touch with your feelings. So काफ़ी लोग ये नहीं expect कर रहे होते हैं. So
ऐसा कुछ होगा सेशन में.
So those who stay back उनको बहुत ही मज़ा आता है because they always tell me कि we love the session and they love the meditation because I make sure that every session ends with a meditation, but it is not just meditation.
There is a lot of fun in the sessions.
There is much more. You will have to get in touch with your feelings. You will have to get in touch with your emotions, and I will make you right.
Then this can be the most important part of this podcast, where the question is gonna be how the mindset coaching is related to fitness, or how it's gonna help someone out to achieve their fitness goal in less time.
Yes. काफ़ी लोग ये जो programs हैं they wake up in the morning judging their bodies. A lot of people are not very happy with the way their body looks, and they're very self-critical about every part of their body. ये ऐसा दिख रहा है, वो वैसा दिख रहा है, and जल्दी से quick fixes. We want instant results. हमें एक महीने में कटरीना कैफ दिखना है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. So I think it is very important to come with a mindset that you will have to have patience and self-compassion to get the results that you want. Maybe it will not take just 1 month. Maybe you will have to go for the second month. Maybe you will have to go for the third month. But ऐसा दिन आएगा where you will look at yourself in the mirror and you will go like, yes, I can see the result कि हाँ भी मेरे मेहनत का फल दिख रहा है मुझे. But वो आपको consistency दिखाने से मिलेगा. It is not very fancy. It is not. A lot of people come with this mindset ना, वो fraction of second का motivation.
Yes,
let's do it, let's join. एक तो very good because वो भी नहीं होता है, but with that motivation कि करो, and then when you have to stick to a routine, because these are things about changing your habit, you're changing your daily regime, it's about lifestyle. So जब वो break होता है, then their motivation also starts breaking because वो initial high खत्म हो जाता है. So yes,
so for that purpose the mindset sessions are important.
Yes, it is very important because it's like how Gaurav's team help you to get in shape. I help you to there are a session in body image where you can start loving yourself. There are things where हम लोग क्या कौन से टॉपिक्स पे नहीं बात करते. It gets very personal, and because body image issues or not loving yourself, and these things go very deep. It goes like you don't even know आपका कौन से टाइम से ये सारी चीज़ें ट्रिगर की है. So side by side अगर आप अपने mindset पे भी काम करें, so it will really help, because nobody can make you fall in love with yourself, your being. Only you can do that. Like you can look the best and still have some issues with your body, something with some issues with yourself. But that is also very important. You have to start believing in yourself from within.
Exactly.
And start working on yourself from within, not only physically.
And also one of the most important part is the mindset sessions teach you how to be patient always. तो अगर आपका फिटनेस गोल 1 महीने में भी अगर अचीव नहीं हो रहा है और उसको टाइम लगने वाला है, तो आफ्टर taking प्रतीक्षा sessions you guys will learn how to be patient and पेशेंस रख के कैसे फिटनेस जर्नी फॉलो करना है एक लॉन्ग टर्म तक. तो ये एक अच्छा बेनिफिट हो सकता है ये सेशंस का. अगर प्रैक्टिकली सोचे तो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं रोज सवेरे उठ के मैनिफेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कुछ, नहीं तो मेडिटेशन कर रहा हूँ फॉर 15 मिनट्स. हाउ दैट्स गोना हेल्प मी प्रैक्टिकली? उसका कुछ इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट आएगा या कुछ टाइम लगेगा उसका रिजल्ट सीखने के लिए?
मेडिटेशन से काफ़ी लोगों को instant results आते हैं. You do get that high, like after meditation it's a different kind of high. So वो तो you will see. But अगर आप scripting या manifestation की बात कर रहे हो, then it will I'm sorry to say, it will not happen instantly. It will not happen on the third day. Because
take
a
time.
lot of fitness manifestation gurus go like, oh, it is, can we skip to the good part? You know? They say, हमने ये script किया and then see, look at my house, I manifested exactly this. But no, you have to let go and still be consistent, put in that action that is required to manifest your goals, and just forget about it, just live your life. कितने बार हुआ है जो मैंने खुद manifest एक ही दिन, मतलब बहुत बार लिखा भी नहीं है, स्क्रिप्टिंग किया है और वो 1.5 years के बाद में पढ़ रही थी, I was like, oh, this has come true in some or other way.
Exactly.
So it is all about perspective and patience and consistency.
Even personally, I do meditate in the morning every day, and that जैसे प्रतीक्षा ने बोला, एक instant energy आ जाती है, तो वो तो मुझे मिलती है. But in while practicing manifestation, we have to manifest or visualize those things for the longer time, and after that वो हम लोग हमारी life में achieve कर सकते हैं.
But I would also like to add here that जब आप visualization करते हैं, it really helps you to stick to your goal. That is something that I would like to say, because whenever I write the same thing, I know that this is what I want to achieve. So automatically you are in that focus, and automatically you go in that direction, and that thing happens. So वो भी आपको थोड़े time के लिए तो वो दिखेगा. That is what I'd like to say.
And it's been a long time you are working with It's All About Journey, and you have dealt with a lot of people. So what do you think, what mindset people should have while joining the fitness program, और अगर उनको कुछ goal achieve करना है fitness का और lifestyle का, तो उनका mindset कैसा होना चाहिए?
Take one day at a time and stick to your routine, trust your coaches and trust the process. क्योंकि आप जब आपने कंसिस्टेंसी दिखाई है लाइफ में, आपने देखा होगा कि आपने वो पक्का अचीव किया है. सो दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई विल से, टेक वन डे एट अ टाइम, यू विल अचीव इट.
अमेजिंग, ये काफ़ी अच्छा जवाब था. तो मतलब बेसिक था एंड इजी था, एंड सबको समझ भी गया होगा.
इट इज इजियर सेड देन डन, बट यू हैव टू डू इट.
What can be the basic exercises which people can practice every day? कुछ 5-10-15 मिनट का कुछ भी छोटा सा exercise जो लोग every day कर सकते हैं.
I would recommend Google shadow work prompts. These are the questions where maybe what is the one emotion that I would like to I normally avoid and why. So these are some shadow work, this thing that is the things that you don't want to get in touch with but you have to. So I do practice that a lot. Other than that is, of course, scripting. I really love scripting, like writing everything that I would like to achieve and being very specific about things. Other than that, those who have joined my session, I make them like close their eyes and expand in every single direction and keep expanding to infinity. So that really helps lighten up your space instantly, and where you don't feel heavy and contracted in one space. You kind of like expand and have space for yourself in your own. You become like very present in your own space. So these are few this thing instant. अगर आप नुस्खा बोले, क्योंकि कोई भी क्विक फिक्स तो नहीं है भाई इसमें, लेकिन yes, if पूछा जाए तो yes, these things that you can keep doing.
Then what advice you will give to people who believes on मुफ्त का ज्ञान on Instagram, and जो Instagram influencers होंगे so called आपका mental health का knowledge देने वाले भी, तो उन लोगों को what advice you wants to give?
मैं नाम तो नहीं लूँगी क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुझे controversy नहीं create करनी है, but there are a lot of motivational speakers who are not qualified, but they get up, they are actually invited to like IT companies and colleges to just give 45 minutes का motivational speech.
And they must be charging in lakhs.
And it's that initial high and then it goes. You go back home, you are in the same this thing. So उनके लिए मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, बंद कर दो ये, आप किसी और तरीके से पैसे कमाओ. And but of course there are a lot of channels like or pages, do follow them, जो actually में अच्छे exercises पोस्ट करते हैं, knowledgeable चीज़ें पोस्ट करते हैं, रिसर्च चीज़ें पोस्ट करते हैं. तो yes, there are a lot of them who really help you shift on your mindset journey, but then there are a lot who
And one of them is Pratiksha Srivastav, who is sitting next to me. Follow her Instagram page, Emotional Wellbeing, if you want to see amazing content on Instagram about emotional well-being and mindfulness. And this is the ending of the podcast. So what things you want to add up on mental health and its relation to fitness? What things you want to add up to this topic?
मैं एक आप ही के क्लाइंट का दिया हुआ अपने क्लाइंट का दिया हुआ टेस्टिमोनियल का बताती हूँ. सो देयर इज दिस क्लाइंट कॉल्ड दिव्या. उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया था आफ्टर सेशन दैट प्रतीक्षा हैड अ बैक पेन एंड आफ्टर लाइक टेकिंग दिस सेशन मैंने ऐसे सुना था कि यू नो ये माइंडफुलनेस ये सब प्रैक्टिस करने से फिजिकली भी यू नो इफेक्ट होता है. पर आज मैंने पहली बार यू नो एक्सपीरियंस किया है. शी सेड दैट माई बैक पेन एक्चुअली लाइक जस्ट वेंट. मेरे को कोई शायद कुछ स्ट्रेस होगा एंड आफ्टर द सेशन इट जस्ट वेंट लाइक आई वाज हैविंग पेन किलर्स सिंस मॉर्निंग एंड ऑल आई हैड टू लाइक डू इज अटेंड दिस सेशन एंड इट वाज गॉन. सो इट इज़ ट्रू. आप जितना कम स्ट्रेस में रहेंगे, आप जितना भी ये सब फॉलो करेंगे उतना आपके डायरेक्टली आपके फिजिकल इस पर भी इफेक्ट करता है. सो it is very important to keep practicing mindfulness. It will affect the way you work out. It will affect the way you feel in your body. So please do keep continuing that.
And माइंडसेट प्रैक्टिस करने से, मेडिटेशन करने से एक मेंटल पीस भी मिलता है. उसमें आप अच्छा वर्कआउट कर सकते हो और जो न्यूट्रिशन प्लान दिन भर में फॉलो करना है वो भी अच्छे से फॉलो होगा. एक रूटीन लग जाएगा पूरे दिन भर का, रात में सोने का, सवेरे उठने का. तो जब रूटीन लगेगा तब ऑब्वियसली सारी चीज़ें वेल मैनर में आने वाली है. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have loved this content, and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are in need of fitness program or a mindset sessions. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon with it. Thanks a lot one more time.